What's up guys, welcome to Combat University. Today I'm going to teach you how to defend yourself against a push. So watch this scene from Boys in the Hood where Doughboy pushes Ricky, and I'll meet you back here to teach you how to do this technique. Let's check it out.
Hey man, you better get on my face, alright? What's up with Brandon?
Hey, you a punk, man. Hey, yo, wait a minute. Wait a minute, hey.
Man, it's family business.
Wait a minute, hey, yo, what's your problem, man? Y'all are brothers. You ain't supposed to be fighting each other.
Been a punk for Trey, let him fight. Get on
Mama's boy.
Get him, go. Slam.
So block. From here, we're just going to slap the ears. After you slap the ears, you're going to step back and do a push kick. So block, slap the ears, push kick. So this is a pretty simple technique today, so one more time. Block, slap, kick. Okay, so for this one, we're gonna say that he actually pushed us. So Bob pushes us, we're back here. From here, we're just gonna step in and we're gonna slap the ears. So we got pushed, step, slap, step, kick. Again, pushed, step back in, slap, kick. Now for this last technique, we're not going to allow him to push us. Here, just step in and slap. Slap, kick. Slap, kick. Now let's try it on the bag. If we've been pushed, just step in, slap. Notice that I rock a little bit because you come in and you're aggressive here, but to set yourself up for a kick, you're gonna have to come back and kick. So for this one, we're not gonna let him attack us first. We're gonna take the aggressive action. We're in a defensive stance. More weight is on the back leg. We have weight off our front leg. We're here, so now we just step and slap, kick. Now let's try it without the bag. Okay, from our free form position, he comes to push, arms come up and out, so we block it as our foot gets in position, step and slap, rock back, push kick. From this angle, block, slap, kick. Now all that's left is for you to go and try it. So go try it, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll meet you back here next time to go over more self-defense techniques.
What you hit me for?
You all right?